Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your home and tech needs. Today, we're talking about one of the best mounts for TV on the wall, the Amazon Basics Full Motion TV Wall Mount. If you've been on the hunt for a reliable, easy to install, and adjustable wall mount for your TV, you might have just found the perfect solution. Let's dive right into the features and see why this is one of the most popular choices for wall mounting your TV. First, let's talk about the compatibility. This mount is designed to fit TVs ranging from 12 inches to 40 inches, which covers a lot of popular sizes on the market today. Whether you're mounting a small bedroom TV or a mid-size living room screen, this mount is versatile enough for the job. It supports TVs weighing up to 40 pounds, making it perfect for most flat-screen models. One of the standout features of this mount is its full motion capability. This means you're not limited to just tilting your TV up and down. With this mount, you can also swivel your TV 180 degrees and extend it from the wall. This full range of motion lets you adjust the viewing angle for the perfect position, whether you're sitting on the couch, standing, or even lying in bed. The tilt range goes from +15 degrees to -5 degrees, and the articulating arm extends from 2.3 inches to 16.3 inches from the wall. If you need to turn your TV to face a different part of the room or move it for optimal viewing, this mount allows you to do so with ease. Installation is also straightforward. The mount comes with all the hardware you need, including screws and a user manual to guide you through the process. Whether you're installing it on a concrete, brick, or wood stud wall, this mount has you covered. The mounting template included in the box helps to ensure that you place everything in the right spot the first time, which makes the installation process smoother. Now, let's talk about the build quality. Made from alloy steel, this mount is sturdy and built to last. It's designed for stability, so you can trust that your TV will stay securely in place once it's mounted. The black finish gives it a sleek, modern look that fits into almost any living space, whether you're going for a minimalist or more traditional aesthetic. This mount also supports VESA sizes from 75 by 75 mm to 200 by 200 mm, which covers a wide range of TV models. VESA stands for the standardized pattern of holes on the back of your TV that allow it to be mounted securely. Before purchasing, make sure your TV matches these VESA measurements to ensure a proper fit. One of the things that users really appreciate about this Amazon Basics Full Motion TV Wall Mount is its reliability. It's an affordable yet high-quality option that delivers on its promises. Whether you're setting up a new home theater or just looking to free up space in your living room, this wall mount gives you the flexibility to adjust your TV to suit your needs. In conclusion, if you're looking for a wall mount that combines versatility, ease of installation, and durability, the Amazon Basics Full Motion TV Wall Mount should be at the top of your list. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to improve their TV setup and create a more customized viewing experience. As always, be sure to check your TV's size and VESA compatibility before purchasing to make sure it's the right fit. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to get notified when we post more product reviews. See you in the next video.